is, first we will just in 2 minutes I will just give you a brief about the whole workshop, like journey of TechFirst 2.0. In whole 6 days what we have discussed, just I will give a glimpse. And after that, the main topic for which you are all are waiting, since you received that email and that question is rotating in your mind, what is the recruitment process, what is the recruitment process. So the second topic is that. And after that, we are going to give you a task, but I will not let you know what the task is. After that second topic we will give you a task, okay? And this is also most interesting, and you will get to know about it, okay? I think after listening this, all of you are so much excited and you are with more energy. Am I right? Let me just show your energy in the chat box so that it will provide me more energy. Yeah, okay, okay. Everyone is so excited. So, so let's start the session. So from day one, in the day one, we had an orientation session and we have interacted with the faculty facilitators, and they give you a clear idea how risk is working and what the work ethics of risk. And okay, and second day, we have some seniors interaction, and you came to know about drones and microbots and many things. But I know guys, it's not in depth, but we are sure that you just got an interest and motivation to work in that field. Okay, am I right? And after this, in third day, you have discussed about the CAD design and some other topics and interacted with some seniors. And after that, you have interacted with a special person. He is a HOS of STB, head of school of electronics and electrical engineering. And after on that day also we have introduced a robotics introduction to robotics and interfacing that microcontroller with many sensors and the projects related to robotics. Okay, and we have showed our projects also. The purpose of showing our projects is we can teach you the topics, but the real motivation comes when we show our projects which we have done by ourselves. Okay, because you people are also waiting for those days, and I promise you guys, definitely we'll get into those days. You will enjoy those days when we get back to LPU. And after the day, the most important person of LPU is a Dr. Arpal Teti sir. You know, he's a head of he's a head of placement services of whole LPU, not like one single branch. For all branches, he's head of placement services. And with that, I'm sure that you got a clear idea of what is the importance of placements and what is the role of projects and academics in placements. And in the last day of the session, no, in the sixth day of the session, you have interacted with the Imanshu
Guys,
Kumar. Imanshu
please
Kumar,
don't
I'm
mute, guys.
observing you that you're muting me. Guys, just remember one thing, we are monitoring you, and just remember that some severe actions will be taken if you do these kind of things, okay? Everything is monitored. I think it's Imanshu Kumar. Okay. After the sixth day, in seventh day, I think yesterday, you came to know about some mobile technologies and you have interacted with some people. So with this all these things, see, the purpose of saying all these things is there is one purpose, because many of you are having some basic idea on projects before coming to this session. I know I am seeing many people, those who already have some idea, but there are many people, those who have real interest to do something, but they don't have any knowledge. So for those, before the start of the session and after the session, have you observed any change in yourself? Like, change means not any technical knowledge, but I think some motivation and some curiosity has built in yourself. I'm thinking it is happening in each and everyone. Okay, okay, I'm seeing in chat box also. Yes, that's true. And the motto of our workshop is only this. And now we are happy that we have reached our motto and we made this event successful. That's all with the contribution of yours, you only guys, not our team. But our team also worked very hard. Okay, this is all about the journey of TechFirst 2.0. And now, without any delay, let's get into the actual topic. Okay. Now, how many are much more excited to start this topic? And I know some people are getting angry also if I am making any late, right? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, you're all are excited. Yeah, I will just reveal it. Okay, don't worry. Just a minute. Yeah. think out of 250 plus registrations, we have shortlisted nearly 160 plus students based on your active participation. Like we have considered just for 2 days of participation, and we have given an opportunity to maximum everyone because you all are freshers and we cannot judge you with only these 6 days. So that's why we have given opportunity to maximum 90% of the students. We have given opportunity, and this is the first stage. Now you're in the second stage. Out of those, I think 350 plus students, 160 plus students are in the second round, and for this I congratulate each and everyone. Okay. And next, what's going happen after this session, like after ending this workshop, what's going to happen like from tomorrow until the end of the recruitment drive. Okay, see, 160 people, and after this you are going to have an interview. Okay, by listening to this word interview, don't panic guys, it's not like a company interview, placement interview. It's just a basic interview in which it just the main, see it, we consider three factors. The first factor is your interest. First factor is your interest and curiosity to work with us and to do projects. After that, we will see the basic knowledge gained from the workshop. And I know guys, not everyone who are here got 100% from the workshop, but we expect at least you got 50%. Can I know how much you, can I know in the percentage wise how much you got from the workshop? Just be frank, no problem. Just I want to know. Just tell me in chat box. Like from workshop, how much percentage you got? Yeah. This we know. No one will get 100% in the first attempt only. This was your first try, and I appreciate for this. Now next, this 50, 60, 40% will one day reach to 100%. Don't worry about that. So for these 160 members, we are having 10 interview panels. Like in each panel, we are having 2 members. Like we are dividing 160 members into 10 groups, like nearly 15, I think 16 members in each group. And those 16 members having two interview panels, two interview panel members. And those 2 members who are allotted to those 16 members only will guide you. Okay, you will be, they will contact you. Like we will be dividing into 10 groups, and those 2 members who are allotted to each panel will contact you, and will assist you and will guide you through the end of the workshop. Like after recruitment, we'll be having a new group, then it's okay. But till that, you will be having some queries. So to clear that queries, to be in contact with you, those 2 panel members will be in contact with you. Okay, and you will be having some special groups for only 15 members. So these 3 days, like I think maybe we'll intimate you afterwards when the interview will be held. So it will be intimated afterwards to you. And maximum it may be in Saturday or Sunday. Before Sunday only we'll plan. We'll not take much time. We'll just give 3 or 4 days to you people, because I told you at the beginning you will be having some important task. Okay, I think now you got clear idea how we are going to have interview. Am I clear? Okay, till now you are into the groups, and you are divided into 10 groups. You're having groups, and you are having your interview panel members. Till now it's okay, it went well. Then what happens after that? See, one thing is what I told, 3 factors. One factor is your interest and your interest and some kind of that things. We can observe with this only, these 160 students who got shortlisted already have those type of things. That's why only you're here. But we'll test much more things in the interview also, like basic things, how you're able to manage your time. This will be tested. But don't worry guys, we'll not go into that. Just like it will be based on your anything. It may be just general things, not any technical field. And after that, just from the workshop, what we have taught you, out of those we'll ask you basic questions. Like it may be like on day 5 what we have taught, that's it. Like basic questions I'm telling, I'm just giving you an idea, not exactly that question will be asked. I'm just giving you a basic idea. And the next factor 3 is we are going to give you a topic, because the purpose of giving you topic is, while you got recruited 100% means when you're into the organization, like when you're officially into the organization, then we will teach you each and everything. But before that, we just want to test one factor in all of you, that how much you're able to explore like internet, YouTube. For example, in any situations we may not be with you. Okay, for example, we got locked down. Till that we are doing many more projects, but suddenly we got locked down. At that time we cannot able to contact our seniors, we cannot take their help. In those situations we should have some skills like using YouTube, internet. Using these resources we should complete our project. Like, these distractions should not stop us, so that skills should be with you. So for that we'll give you just basic project. You don't worry about the project, just go through it and just try to understand. I will give you an example. For example, see, I will tell you 3 points, just note them down. Out of those project, what we'll expect from you is, first clearly understand the project. After giving the project, you have to understand. I will give you a title, like a problem statement will be given to you. You should clearly understand the project, what the project is about. This is the first point. The second point is, what's the purpose, means where it can be used in real life, where it can be used, the purpose of the project. Okay, second point is clear. And with the help of this project, which problem you are solving. Did you get my point? With the help of this project, which real life problem you guys are solving. These 3 points should be kept in your mind. I will give a basic example for you. For example, we are having bike. First, some bike, it may be engine bike. Let us assume petrol bike. It's also a project. Now it's a daily life thing, but before it was a project, right? Okay, Kumar Saksham, you're asking to repeat the points, please. Okay, see, just keep 3 points in your mind about that project. That is, first clearly understand the project, what the project is about. Okay, then what is the purpose of the project. Okay, that means where it can be used. Then which problem you are going to solve with the help of this project. Mm, I'm discussing about the basic example, right? Electric, that some bike, you have to understand the project. The project is like bike, for what we are using for transportation. The purpose is, before in earlier days we used to go by walk, we use some bullock carts. At that time it's so much painful to them, so, and they cannot travel to long distances also. This is a problem, this is a purpose. And which problem we are solving? We are solving that we are not letting them travel to long distances, but we are providing them an alternative to make their traveling very faster and some safer. So just this is a basic example. In this way you should compare your project with the purpose and these points which we are going to give you, which are going to allot your project. Okay, and one thing is, guys, no need to worry like how great you are understanding the project. Like, any projects contain some hardware port, software port, and many things. And don't worry about that, I'm not getting software, and don't get into demotivation. This is just to test your ability, that how you're going to explore the internet and YouTube. So, and in the final interview, like in the recruitment interview, you will be having some questions, like 1 or 2 basic questions from this project for everyone. They may not be same. We may having different questions to different people. Okay, now have you got clear idea of the project? If you got clear idea, just I will proceed to next what the topic is. If you don't have any, if you have some queries, you can post it in the chat box, I will clear them. Yeah, Parth Patel, nothing. The 3 steps, just there are no 3 steps like you have to follow. It's not mandatory. I use those 3 steps just to make you clear. See, the first step is clearly understand your project. Okay. The second step is what is the purpose of project. That means where it can be used. And the third step is which problem we are going to solve. Okay. Now you're clear. Okay, Shivam Sharma, you're asking if we selected in risk, then we have to regularly come to help you during this COVID-19. See, if we are conducting any sessions during this, like we are at home, right? You're not going to come anywhere. Just you're sitting in your house, and you, if we conducted any session like this, you're attending now, no, you can come. But after going to help you, according to that situations, we can plan, but we cannot decide now. Okay. Okay, I think the points and the purpose of the project and the everything is clear for you, and the recruitment process is clear for you. Okay, am I clear? Yeah. Next, already it's 6:22. Okay, and within 5 minutes I will clear you, and after that we will have some 5 to 10 minutes some question and answer session. Okay. Okay. Now coming into the, see, I think many of you people already know this project. Okay, those who know, okay, it's happy, you're appreciated, you can do very well. But those who are not, don't know about this project, no need to worry. You're going to learn some new things, and this is the only the first thing, and this is not the last thing. Just remember this, okay? This is only the first thing you're going to learn. This is the first step you are going to take, and this may be like, you can understand, you can not understand, no issues. But what I personally suggest you is, just keep some concentration and keep your 100% effort at least on this project. After this, you will, after this, you will you will automatically will give. If you say no also, you will say, but yeah, I will give. After this, it will happen, I know it. But for this, for your first step, it's only up to you. Okay, and I know, I'm expecting that all of you who are here are really interested, and you will give your 100%. I'm expecting that. Okay, and see, the project is very basic. Okay, I'm just going to tell you the name of the topic. Project is like, it was a automatic watering system for plants. And I'm not going to explain anything about the project. If you don't hear clearly, I will type in the chat box. Just note down the title. Okay, automatic watering system for plants. Okay, I'm also typing the chat box. Okay, I have posted in chat box. Just look at it, note down. Okay, and one more thing, guys. And not, we are saying just to know about this, but we are not blindly saying that just go for it and not providing any resource. We'll provide you a resource. Like, we'll provide you a, because you're at home, some people can explore internet, you can explore YouTube, but some, how much they explore also, some may not get, because you're freshers, right? That's why I will provide you a video link and some website link. There you can get some basic idea, and you can learn. We will not explain anything. You itself read that, you explain, understand that. You itself understand what the controller is, what the sensor we are using, what's the working we are using. Okay, everything you have to understand, and this will be tested in the interview. Okay, I will now, I'm posting those two links. Everyone, just do something like copy this link and paste somewhere, or do something, whatever you want to do. First, I am posting the link for YouTube video. Yeah, Yashwant Sai. Yeah, yeah. It's same like in Telugu movie Chitralahari. Yeah, you know, if you understand really this project also, actually it's a basic project, but you can implement this at home. You know, it will be very amazing. The the link for YouTube is given below. Okay, I hope everyone have got this link. Okay, bro, Anshul, from now we are not having that WhatsApp group cannot be used for further proceedings. Okay, just you people, those who are here, just forget about those group, that group. We will add you in other groups. You will get every information in that. Okay, and the link for the website I am giving now. Just go through these links, and try to give your best to understand the things. Okay, Part Patel, for what? For YouTube or for website? This is for YouTube video. And this is for website. Okay. And I hope I have cleared each and every doubt, and I tried my best to clear each and every point. And I think you got everything right now. What's the process of recruitment and what we are going to do, how the process is going to build. Okay. And just let me know you got clarity on this in the chat box. Yeah. Now I want to know your energy and excitement. How is it now? How is the Josh? I just want to know it. Hi. Okay. Okay. Hi. Yeah. Someone is asking when is the interview. Okay. And I think by today night of by tomorrow morning, your interview panel members allotted to your group means 15 members a group right now, they will contact you, okay, and you will get everything there. And see, and finally I just want to tell one thing is, see, we are working for a, like, for a goal, like learning, implementing and sharing the things. When I'm in first, see, you know one thing, I joined risk organization in my second year, but you guys are great and you're lucky also. You're in the very first year, you're part of this organization and you will get to many things. In I have just 1 year journey with risk lpu, but a lot of memories for me. And I'm sure that you will also going to have this. Okay, now I think if I talk more you will get bored. I will not go much more. And yeah, now let's clear your queries for 5 minutes.
Excuse me, Banu Bhaiya.
Yeah, Kumar.
You were, yeah, yes, you were not responding. Do we have to make the project for this?
No, sorry. I forgot to clear this idea. So you no need to make this project. I'm just clearing this. You no need to make this project. Just understand the project. Like for example, you're having an exam. You will read some topic. You will clear. You will having exam, right? But it's not like exam. You just understand the project in real way. That you imagine that you are doing this project. If it is possible, you can do. We are not asking you to do, but if it's possible, if you know anyone who are having components, you can do, but we're not forcing you to do the project and we are not asking. Just analyze the project, right, Raunak? Just analyze the project, what's the purpose and what we are using. I told you there's some points also, okay. With this, what you will get, main another purpose of giving this task is also just you will get to know this is only for your benefit, not for our benefit. You will get an idea that how other projects are there, how we have to approach the project, like how to know about the problem statement, how to identify the components we have to use, and what is the working, and what is the coding part. See, everyone, I'm just telling before only, don't worry about the coding part. By looking that, you will get, you're not at all familiar with that, but you will get somewhat tensed, but no need to worry about that. Just go about the logic and how it is functioning. And if it's possible, if you are really interested, you can go to the programming also. It is not that much hard, okay. Mm.
Bhaiya, I have a doubt. Uh,
Yeah,
as you said
Ankit.
that we'll be divided into some groups. So is this
Yes.
a group task or we have to explore individually?
No. See, the purpose of doing this group is because we cannot interview 160 people at a single day, right? Two or three people cannot interview. If we allot two people for 15 members, so these two members will interview, okay? The purpose of dividing into groups is just to simplify the task of interview.
Okay,
Just
Bhaiya,
further,
okay, I got
okay?
it.
I got you.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Okay. And any more doubts? Because you should not have any queries after this, and because I think after your recruitment process only we'll be having interaction.
Good evening, sir. This is Tanay. I have one doubt.
Okay, Tanay, you
As you said
can
that,
just call me bro. Okay, you can just call me bro. No need of
yes,
sir.
okay. So, as you have said that we will be categorized into 15 or 16 people in a group. So, will
Yes,
this
yes.
group contain like the same number of people from the same department or different departments?
No, it's not like same number of people's, not like same number of department. Just we'll randomly make 15-15. Okay, just
Okay,
random.
so there is no categorization in
There's
this,
no
like
one thing I'm repeating again. The
just random.
purpose of making groups is just to simplify the task of conducting interview. Okay, not based on your, not
Okay,
all the.
fine. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Venkatesh, I think, see, I'm okay. No one is having,
Uh,
some members
okay,
are.
guys.
Okay, 1 minute, Venkatesh.
Just to make this point
Hello.
clear, do not blindly follow the links which are provided by Mr. Banu. So
Yeah.
yes, I have already mentioned that the main motto of this particular task is exploring, guys. So do not restrict yourself for two links which are provided by us. The main motto of this task, as I mentioned, is exploring. And I also mentioned this point many times. I think at least 5 to 10 times during the Tech First 2.0. Like, we engineers have to explore. So do not restrict yourselves for a YouTube website, for only one website. So do your research. And yes, I have seen some messages that I'll give my best. So do prepare for giving your best. So you will definitely get an idea when you prepared well that yes, I am very well prepared and I'll perform well. Yes, you'll definitely get an idea when you prepared through various websites. And it's Mr. Banu already told there's those are basic questions, so you need not to be worried about anything.
Yeah, yes, Venkatesh, it's true. See, those are just for your reference. But if you're having, you can explore anything, just for reference, not to get confused you. Just we are providing that reference, but we are not asking you to blindly follow those website only. If you know anything, if you know any YouTube channel, you can do it. Okay, there is no any restrictions. And one thing, guys, and now we'll give you a form. You just have to fill that because actually 160 members we have selected, but we are observing that only more than 100 are present today. So we can use this also, and we can further shortlist students because you guys are really interested and you are here and you are spending your time. But we have given an opportunity to the rest of the people also, but they have not utilized it. I think it's not our fault. So I will provide you a form now. Just fill it, okay? Don't forget to fill it. After this, if you don't have any queries, you can leave after filling the form.
And guys, I think you'll get the form in a minute. So as Mr. Banu said, you will be divided into groups so that for every group there will be minimum two coordinators. You will be in contact with them, so do not worry about the mode of interview or specific times for interview. We'll definitely create a particular WhatsApp group with you 15 members, I mean with the coordinator. So do not worry about that. You can shoot your queries there and try not to worry. Yes, no worries.
Hello. Bhanu, I would like to add a point to what you have said. You have mentioned three things which one need to remember while doing a project, right?
Bro, I'm not mentioned like that, but just I have given just to make their idea
No,
clear. I've
just
given, yeah, yeah,
when we are taking any project, so I would like to give you guys some statistics.
yes. It
In
will be benefit,
2000,
bro. You proceed.
yeah, yeah, in 2018 in India, around 50,000 startups were there. Okay, 50,000. And out of 50,000, there were 10,000 tech startups. And you guys will be like shocked to hear that in 1 year, only 1,300 to 1,500 tech startup were able to survive in 1 or 2 years of time. Guys, why this was observed. See, Bhanu mentioned the 3 points. These 3 points people forget to check while they are starting anything, making any project. They forget like what would be the purpose of the thing. That's why the reason is like 90% of the startups are failing. So you should imagine how important it is to um, remember all the things and do your research before getting into any project. Okay. Anyone have any doubts? Because this is the most important point for any project. Someone is asking, most of them are software based, not hardware. No, it's not true. Many are hardware as well as software. In startup, there are 5 conditions: time, funding, implementation, research, and team. Yeah, it's true. One thing is also there, like the problem statement, which problem statement you are solving and how you are solving. Just don't worry about who will be taking interview. Right now you will know, but in your when you are getting sitting for jobs, you won't know who is coming to take your interview. So you can ignore that question.
Sorry, Priyansh. Uh, and the question is only that it's regarding interview when it is conducted, who is conducting. Not to worry, panel is going to take care. Panel is also they are also students of LPU. They also know the timings. They will ask you the comfort time and comfort mode of communication. They are going to ask you. They are going to share you, and they are going to ask the time which you are comfortable and on what day you are comfortable. Yeah, it's lagging so much. Yeah, we will complete it soon, but not to worry. And girls and others, if you are in the team, when if any panel contacts you, and if there is any misbehavior, because I don't think only panel can contact you, other some person may be contacting as the panel, I don't know. If that happens, contact Banu. If anyone finds any panel is misbehaving or sending some personal messages which means hi bye, that things which are not professional, contact Banu or risk.soc. They are going to take care.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
One thing all
Banu.
should remember is we risk members, we never do like a high buy that things. And if it happens, you have to realize that it's not risk members, it is some others. So that you should consult us. Okay, you can tell us this is happening.
Anyone yeah, anyone is facing any issue with the panel or interview, just take care, because it has to be a primary thing. And don't worry about the interview, because we are also students, we also came from the same stage. We know you will worry. We will contact you and we will take your proper and prior permission and the mode of interaction and the time of interaction. We will only take care when you are free. Yeah, yes, Banu. Done. I think it's time to say all the best, and the topic is set. Focus on that. And again, after making the WhatsApp group, your internal panel is going to say what is the process again. Not to worry, you can take the doubts from there too. Yeah, it's fine, Venki and Banu. Yeah.
Hello.
Thank you, Mr. Bharat, for making the points clear. Ronak, if you're having any doubt, please,
When
please
when you
kindly
will be
message
asking
in the
about
chat box.
this
Okay.
project?
That's what I'm saying,
Yes,
Ronak.
Ronak.
Panel will message you personally after completion of your studyings within 3 days. They are going to contact you. The same thing we are repeating. It's you have to complete it in within 3 days, and panel will message you personally and contact you personally. Not to worry.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay, okay,
Ronak. I
okay,
already told you that. I think maximum will not make any delay. By today night or tomorrow morning only, they will contact you. Okay.
okay.
So,
Then you can
thank you,
just
everyone. I'll just wrap this interaction within a minute. So, I think you know what to do, guys. By today night or tomorrow morning, you will be distributed into a group of 15 members, and we are not going to do that. This particular branch you are going to be with, and you will be having in a panel, and that panel will be having two coordinators. And with those two coordinators, you 15 members will form a WhatsApp group, and you will be having your updates regarding interviews and everything in that WhatsApp group. And try to feel free to ask any types of queries, and do not follow the WhatsApp group 2K20 G1 or G2. So I hope that I made my point very clear. And
yes,
do
Venkatesh.
not worry about this, guys.
I just
You
want to
can
remind
start
one thing.
exploring.
Yeah, I just want to remind one thing. I think all of you have filled the form, but if any left, make sure to fill the form because it's very important. Okay, just fill it. That's it.
Hello? Bro, can we exit that group? That K20 something, G1.
Yeah, okay. It's your wish. It's up to you, bro. But till now, we are going to start a new thing. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Hello.
Yeah, Shivai.
Yes, I'm telling that we have to fill the call number or WhatsApp number in the form.
Yeah, I think WhatsApp number is preferable because you will be added in the group, right? WhatsApp number. Everyone make sure to fill the WhatsApp number.
Okay.
Okay.
So guys, that's it for today's session. I hope we made our points clear. What you have to do, and you can leave the meeting for now. And if you are having any types of queries,
If
you
you're
can
not
stay in the
finding the
meeting.
form, yeah, if you're not finding the form, Banu will message you in the mail, in the same reply mail. If you're not able to find from here, you can find from the reply mail that we have sent already.
See, I think a lot of juniors are helping us by keeping the fill forms. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for your for your interest, for helping your mates. Thank you everyone. It was such a kind gesture from you. Thank you. And yes, I have already said. Let's end. Yes, you can leave. The meeting is completed, guys. You can leave. Though it's 6:43. Yes, we are closing. We are closing now. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for joining this meeting. Can we leave last WhatsApp group? Yes. That's a hypothetical question. No, I mean you can. It's your wish. But for this process, we are going to create a new WhatsApp group. So you will be having the updates in this.
I think till the new group is made, it's better to stay in that. After making that another groups, you can leave. Okay, because if you have any, if you not make any group, if you are not in the new group, you can contact us, right? Till that you can wait. After that you can. Yeah, Venkatesh.
Thank you guys.
I think it's conclusion, right?
Yes.